Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to use built-in presets in text to add a super cool effect just in a click. So without any further delay, let's start it. Let's say this time we add the sample video in timeline. Alright, to add a new text, at first I create a new video track and insert text media. By default, under preset, default preset is selected. If I click on this drop-down menu, here we see bunch of different templates are available. Let's select rolling glow and enlarge preset. Now let's type time to read. I just select this text and font. This time I choose the Broadway font. And scale down this text and set color in white. Alright, let's play this clip now. Awesome, right? Let's change this effect. To do this, under this preset, let's say this time we choose float and pop, and this time I type time to read and set text color in white. Let's play this clip now. Awesome, right? So in this way, using different type of preset, you can easily add super cool animated effects in your text. Thank you so much for watching.